Welcome to 263 John Bowser Crescent. With well over 2,000 square feet of light-filled interior finished space, this home is going to wow you with its special features and beautiful proportions. I'm Leslie Witcher of Remax Hallmark York Group Realty, and I take pride in the quality of homes I bring you. This home is located in Glenway Estates, which has long been one of Newmarket's most desirable neighborhoods. It's an area where values remain strong because the location is unmatched. More about that later, but first let's see what's so special about this home. Stepping inside, you can immediately appreciate the flawless proportions and flow of the living spaces. To the right, the breathtaking formal living room has a soaring ceiling height of almost 11 feet. A generously proportioned formal dining room is to the left. The kitchen has stunning, upgraded, timeless cabinetry and a huge eat-in area which overlooks and is open to the lower level family room. The family room is also beautifully finished and includes a wall of built-in shelving. Both kitchen and family room have sliding door walkout. Short staircases link 3 floors. For those who don't want a lot of stairs but still don't want to sleep on the main floor, this style of home is ideal. The primary suite is self-contained with a generous walk-in closet and ensuite. It also features a walkout to its own private deck that takes advantage of privacy and mature landscaping. It's the perfect spot for morning coffee. Not only all of that, but this home has no less than 5 walkouts, something you rarely get in a conventional 2-story floor plan. The lower level is completed by a 4th bedroom and oversized laundry room. There's an additional basement below. Commuters, the icing on the cake is that you can walk to the Newmarket terminal to catch the YRT or GO bus. Glenway Estates is near all the conveniences of the city, shopping, dining, hospital, and more, yet it is set in its own leafy, mature enclave. Book your showing soon to see a home like no other.